Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to create 2D drawings in SOLIDWORKS software. So already I made this part 3D model, so you can check it out in description. So I have attached the playlist. So I will convert this 3D into 2D drawing. Go to File, make drawing from part, select the drawing template, OK. Here select the sheet size, which sheet you want. If the big assemblies, we can go with A0 or A1. If the small part, we can go with A3 or A4. Or if you have a modified template, you can browse and open the template. So here in the two methods, we can insert the model. Here click to model view. See, the EX10 is I already opened. If the part is not opened, we can browse and place the views. And also one more method. Here we can click view palette. See, assigned EX10, which I have already opened. And also if we have opened 3 or 4 parts, it will show one by one. We can click and select which part we want. So you can see all the views here. So I will take front view, drag the views on the drawing. So come right, you will get the side view. Go upward direction, you will get the top view. Go diagonal, you will get the ISO view. Click OK. So we can arrange these views. Next we can change the scale here. Select the front view. So we can increase or decrease the scale size. I will increase the scale size. Start the dimensions. Here to here 55. Overall height is 55 and this width is 75 mm. Here we can see one thing, there is a 2-digit extra is there. We can remove this. Here also we can remove document, can select none, but we need to remove in all in one setting. Here select the option here. Just search the option. Click this. Go to documents, dimension. Here see primary precisions. Select none. Okay. Here you can see zeros will not there. So length and width is over. Next, here there is a circular part. We need to give the dimension for that. From bottom to here 45 and this direction 38 mm. This overall dimension we can give upward. Give the fillet here. Fillet dimension is R10 and both will same. We can give the two methods, 2 into 2 corners into R10, or we can give typical dimension. It means all the corners will same. And also in the top view there is a 2 holes. So both side 15-15. Here also give the fillet dimensions and give the hole dimension also. Hole dimension here give 2 into, because 2 holes, and depth you can give through hole 15 through. So this is enough. In the side view you can see we need to mention thickness of the part 15. So here to here 35 mm, and this is also 15 mm. Next here select this view, so we can turn on the hidden lines. So here circle is there, give the diameter of the outer diameter 52, inner diameter you can give in this view dia 28 mm. And also one more dimension is required, whether here to here, or we can give the top view also. See friends, all the dimensions are covered. If anything is missing or anything is in your mind, you can leave the comment below. So ISO view we can change the view style, shaded with edges. So you can see all the dimensions are given. So just align the dimensions. So that's the today's session friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. So save this part as a SolidWorks drawing or DXF. See, I will show you. Save all. I will save my desktop. EX10. Here you can see the first one is SolidWorks drawing, or you can save Adobe PDF, and also we can save here DWG or DXF. So this is the drawing which we have converted. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session. So in the upcoming videos I will show you all the precision components, and also how to add GD&T, fits and tolerances, datum surface, welding symbols, everything I will show in the upcoming classes.